to Srishti 4 as. This video is about the new Mi 11 Ultra. Network technology, GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G. Launch announced 2021, March 29. Status available, released 2021, April 23rd. Body dimensions, 164.3 by 74.6 by 8.4 mm, 6.47 by 2.94 by 0.33 in. Weight, 234 grams, 8.25 ounces. Build, glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, ceramic back, aluminum frame. SIM, dual SIM, Nano-SIM. Dual stand by IP68 dust, water resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 30 mins. Display type, AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 900 nits, 1700 nits, peak. Size, 6.81 inches. 112.0 square centimeters, 91.4% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 515 pixels per inch density. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Platform, OS Android 11, MIUI 12.5. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G, 5 nanometers. CPU, Octa-core, 1 by 2.84 GHz Kryo 680 and 3 by 2.42 GHz Kryo 680 and 4 by 1.80 GHz Kryo 680. GPU, Adreno 660. Memory card slot, no. Internal, 256GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM UFS 3.1. Main camera triple 50MP f2.0, 24mm wide, 1/1.12, 1.4 micrometers, dual pixel PDAF, laser off, OIS, 48MP, f4.1, 120mm periscope telephoto, 1/2.0, 0.8 micrometers PDAF OIS, 5x optical zoom, 48MP, f2.2, 12mm, 128 ultrawide, 1/2.0, 0.8 micrometers PDAF features, dual LED flash, HDR, panorama, 1.1 AMOLED selfie display, video, 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps, gyro-EISSOUND, HDR10+ rate. Selfie camera single, 20MP, f2.2, 27mm wide, 1/3.4, 0.8 micrometers features, HDR, panorama. Video, 1080p at 30/60 fps, 720p at 120 fps, gyro-EISSOUND. Loudspeaker Yes with stereo speakers. 3.5mm jack, 24-bit, 192 kHz audio, tuned by Harman Kardon Comms WLAN. Wi-Fi 802.11a, D per gram, NAC, 6E. Dual band, Wi-Fi direct, DLNA, hotspot. Bluetooth, 5.2, A2DP, LE, aptX HD. GPS, yes with tri-band A, GPS, GLONASS, VDS, Galileo, QZSS, NavIC NFC Yes Infrared port Yes. Radio No. USB Type C 2.0 USB On-The-Go. Features: Sensors Fingerprint, Under Display, Optical Accelerometer, Gyro, Proximity, Compass, Color Spectrum. Battery type Li Po 5000 mAh. Non-removable. Charging fast. Charging 67W, 100% in 36 minutes. Fast wireless charging 67W, 100% in 39 minutes. Reverse wireless charging 10W. Quick charge 4+. Power delivery 3.0. Miscellaneous colors: ceramic white, ceramic black. Please subscribe for the new videos.